Oh my god, my dog right there, the black thing that went behind that bush. Stay there! He went behind the bush. Come on, we need to get him before he gets stuck down there.
There's metals. Go
Just
back
come out of the way. He's stuck. We need to help him. Where is he? Look at him. He's just walking around. We need to go down and get him.
Are we gonna go down and get him?
Fall. Do the exact same thing he done. This might. Come on. This might be a wobbly camera, but I'm trying to save my dog. I don't care what anyone says. I'm coming down here and I'm saving my dog. Bootsy, come here, boy. Come on, boy. Boots, come here, boy. Bootsy. Oh, crap. Oh shit, the horses are coming. Sorry, Boots. Boots, come on, boy. Come on, boy. Bootsy. Bootsy, boy.
Boots, come on. Oh yeah, dude.
Oh shit, they're coming. Come on, we have to go. We have to get him a different time.
Call your mom, call your dad or something.
He'll come down. Oh my god.
We're really scared.
I know. I actually think that my dog might be gone.
No, listen. Oh, good boy, Boots. Good boy.
Oh my god, they're actually... The dog is actually running towards us. Go! There's 3 horses chasing after us. Oh my god. I think we're safer. Come on! Oh no, here he comes. He's there. Oh, hello, Bootsy. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Oh my god. I was so frightened. Okay, but... See this building right there? That is an abandoned church. People say it's haunted because of all the glass is broken and everything else. Look at that. That looks like a witch's eyes. Well,
I really want to go down and explore that.
yeah, let's go for 2 minutes.
We don't even have enough room left.
Sorry. We're coming back up, James.
I really think this is really sketchy. And I don't
Yeah.
like it anymore.
If you're wondering what sketchy means, it means like it's
Like really weird.
yeah, it's really weird to do.
Like this is actually, it's a full-on like kind of mental.
Yeah, one wrong move and you can go flying.
No, I'm gone.
Remember to leave a like.
Where are you going? Don't do that. It's not
Sorry.
okay.
And subscribe.
Oh my god.
I almost slipped there.
Did you see how fast that went?
Okay. Come on, James, just a few more steps.
No boy.
That hill doesn't look big to you, but
The horses are fucking coming. The horses are coming.
oh shit. Whew. This place is like an Amazon jungle. So many trees. Okay. I'm going to stop right about here. First I thought I lost my dog. Okay. One last view. And remember, 10 likes, we'll go even further. 5 likes. Yeah, 5 likes. Then.
No, we'll actually make a video anyway.
Yeah, 5 likes and.
Oh no, Leah, I'm going on there. Yeah.
About 5 likes and we'll go to the right. And if we get 3 likes, we'll go straight down. That's it for now.
We're going down anyway.
And this is the terrace I live in. So, a lot of trees again. And the first thing I have to say is, we love soccer. You're going to see 2 videos of soccer on my channel so far, but
I remember last time I was down here with me, you and Sam.
yeah,
The ball got taken off of us.
yeah, but we do love soccer, but we are going to explore. It's not like our whole channel is going to be about soccer. And like, if you're wondering, like, why do you want likes? Well, I don't really want likes. I'm not asking
my
you
God.
to give us likes. I'm
Oh my
just
God,
saying.
there's something down there, I think.
Oh crap! There actually is.
What is it?
I don't know. But robber. And well, it's not over yet. We are going to make the video 10 minutes long, maybe. But if it doesn't get 10 minutes long, it just stops, then you'll probably see it. But if not, it's just no, you're not going to see it. So why am I even saying this? Okay. This is my baby sister. So that's my friend.
No, look. What?
My other sister. And that's a broken flicker.
It does have bars on it. No, it doesn't.
Oh, it doesn't. There's a lot of climbing stuff, like walls and everything like that. Yeah, let's take a look. We're going to go up and up.
There's hoses down there. I really want to build a secret cave down there.
Yes, I know that.
And like, only me and you can know where it is. Boy! Look! That'd be the sickest place ever to stand on. See?
Look at that. It's like a little platform there to stand on. It's huge. Spiky bushes.
Look around, look. See that? We'll go on that.
No, there's 2 far. There's one closer though.
Is there?
Yes.
This is really sketchy, okay? We're doing it.
We're doing this for ye. Respect. Right.
I'm gone wrong.
I actually
Gone wrong in the hood.
I'm gonna say that again, but we actually got really scared because I thought
No, remember when Boots got...
Yes.
When Boots is gone, we got so scared because we thought that he wasn't going to come back up.
Yes.
Like, oh my God, I'm actually sweating. Boots, where's Boots now? Because I saw him up by the white.
Oh my God, actually, where is he?
Oh, he's literally at your door.
Oh my God, he is.
He's like a ninja.
If you didn't see him, that's him. That black thing sitting on right.
Is there any shops around here?
Ugh, you bad.
It's centered on by where
That's a Vega 16.
That's
is
a
a
flicker.
flicker. And I'll bring you up here and I'll show you my bike. It isn't a handful, but it'll get the job done.
My bike too.
Yes, there's 2 bikes. As you can see here, we've got black wheels, chain, blue around it, and her one is the exact same, but with pink.
No, and the wheels are gone. The wheels are not the way.
Yes, they're not the same.
And that has nitro.
That has nitro, yes. They're different bikes, okay?
Wait, and that has a bed. Look.
Okay!
Clean.
Okay, we heard enough. Oh look, soccer. Let's go and play soccer. Can we play soccer? Me and James. Can we play soccer? What? Okay. We're allowed. What? No, it's just two of us. You can't play, you're too small. I don't know. Why do you want to know? One. She could be on your team, girls against boys. Him and then me. No, you won't.
Go on.
Guess what? We were eating good far against the fence. Guess what?
Yeah, we thought Boots was gone.
Yeah.
Boots wouldn't come back up. And then when James came back up, he followed James. What?
Hey, Bootsy boy. Bootsy.
That's it for now. Peace.